Hello, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 7S. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password, fingerprint and face detection, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 4 types of screen locks: no password, PIN, password, and pattern. Now we can go to fingerprint, and we have to simply select phone unlock and tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now when it's done, you can tap done and use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face recognition, and now you have to simply scan your face in this area to unlock the phone. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.